In this video, I'll show you how to share a GitHub repository link in 2026. First, open your web browser and go to GitHub. Sign into your GitHub account if you're not already logged in. Once you're inside GitHub, navigate to the repository that you want to share. When the repository page opens, look at the address bar of your browser. The URL displayed there is the direct link to your repository. Click the address bar, highlight the entire URL, and copy it using your keyboard shortcut or the right-click menu. Next, paste the copied link into an email, chat message, social media post, document, or anywhere you want to share the repository. Anyone with access to the repository can use that link to open it. If your repository is public, anyone with the link can view the repository, browse the files, read the documentation, and download the code. If your repository is private, only people who have been granted access will be able to view it after signing in to GitHub. After that, if you need to share a specific file, folder, issue, pull request, or release, open that item inside the repository and copy the URL from the browser's address bar. This allows you to send people directly to the exact content you want them to see. Now, if you're sharing a private repository with a collaborator, open the repository and click Settings. From the repository settings page, select Collaborators or Collaborators and Teams, depending on your account type. Click Add People, enter the person's GitHub username or email address, and send the invitation. Once they accept the invitation, they'll be able to access the repository using the link. Next, if you want to quickly copy the repository URL, look for the green Code button near the top of the repository page. Click Code, and you'll find the repository URL that can be copied for sharing or cloning. You can choose the HTTPS option, copy the link, and send it to others. Finally, test the link after sharing it. Open the link in a private browser window or an incognito window to confirm that it works as expected, especially if you're sharing a public repository. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to share a GitHub repository link in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.